Today we're going to demonstrate for you this Bechstein. This is a 1896 Bechstein that has been fully restored, and we'll show you a bit more about the restoration work when we take the front off in a moment. But these are often the subject of restoration on account of the fact that they are what you call a legacy piano, a bit like a classic car that is sought after with a name, and people will go to great lengths to keep them going because they have a tone that you won't see again in a modern piano, this mellow German tone from the pre-World War I pianos, where the quality was a different era. If I open up the lid and let the sound cast out into the room. Very rich, full sound, particularly in the lower bass region when you play more softly. These old German composers who wrote these lovely gentle melodies. Really allows that to sing in a way that some modern pianos will overpower the tone. So the case is ebonized, an ebonized case, like you had with all of the old Bechsteins. That's been fully restored. It's got that music desk there, folds in and out like so. So absolutely everything that needed doing was replaced. It's had new strings, new dampers, new hammers, all the felts, all the tapes, the keys were replaced. We estimate that work could be in the region between £2,000 and £3,000. All new pins, absolutely everything was done. And it will go on for another 100 years. You can see here the hammers there are like brand new. The dampers all lifting off evenly. So it's an exceptional example for a piano that's 130 years old. And I'll just play you a few excerpts so you can see how well it's working. Just finished with Debussy's Clair de Lune, which would have been written in the piano's day. Would have been around when Debussy was writing this. You have it, the Bechstein.